I finally got around to seeing 65 and was pretty taken back. If you, like I did, took a glance on how this movie fared on review sites, you would think it's one of the worst sci-fi flicks in years. But after seeing it, I'm puzzled about the negative consensus because I'm glad I gave it a chance. 65 is a stripped down, efficient little story with dinosaurs that actually behave like dinosaurs. None of this crap. It has strong performances from both leads, creative set design, actual tension, stakes, impressive CGI for its budget, but most of all, 65 knew what it was, and it never went big. Now, I'm not saying it's anything spectacular, but it's serviceable, and at least it's an original 90-minute story, not from an already existing, established, lucrative IP. I cannot stress enough how rare movies like this are becoming due to lack of theater attendance and soulless corporate compounding of the same stories with spin-off after sequel after spin-off after reboot to shows and miniseries and games and trading cards. Anyways, you get the point. 65 was none of that. And it was refreshing to see an original sci-fi thriller with a budget hit the big screen.